Alright, got a package from that I ordered a few things off of Aventon. A few things showed up, still on hold for a couple more things. But I wanted to do a unpackaging. I got a couple different products. One of them I had to get a extra pair of brake pads, but let's go through, see what it looks like. First one is a Fox jacket. I know it's been hot out here in Los Angeles lately, but the night rides, I do tend to go on some night rides. I wanted to get something a little long sleeve. Oh, this is cozy, comfy. Looks pretty fresh. Fox. It's got it's a pullover, a zipper up. It's got a hood on it. Pretty clean, actually. I thought there was gonna be more logos, and I'm surprised. It's pretty nice and clean. There's a little patch on the front and just a little fox on the back. Has some pockets up front. This reminds me of like the old school, like the starter jackets. Oh, it has a zipper. Cool. Put some snacks in there, like the shoestrings. See if I can throw it on. I don't want to mess up the microphone. It's on my hat, so see what it looks like. I got an extra large, about 6 feet, 225 pounds, so it's an extra large. Oh, good thing I got an extra large. Fits a little snug. I know cycling stuff usually I feel like kind of runs a little bit smaller, but it is nice. I like it. Little jacket, cross through pocket. Throw my phone in there. Keep me smooth for the night rides. Next thing is oh, I know what this is. This is a air pump. We were on the route the other day, and my buddy got a flat, and I don't know where my hand pump went. The only other pump I have at the moment would be the one for the floor, and then there's a larger one that I have. It's a electric rechargeable one, and sometimes that's just too big for the bike ride. So this all right, just kind of plug it in. Oh, it has a wire that comes out. Oh, out this side, looks like. Oh, that just came off. All right, how does this work? Should be a wire here somewhere. Oh, it looks like this. You just twist it off. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. There we go. Nice, and this kind of looks like it'll clip to the cupboard or the cup holder I have. On one of my bikes, I got the water bottle on the downpipe to step through the pace 4. So little air pump to put it on. Stay ready. This one's not too large, good size. I like that this wire kind of just hides inside. Once you're done, it has for the small one and the larger air valves. So I like that it's in there, very compact. Then I can connect it to. I was thinking of getting a saddlebag here shortly, so we'll see. This might still be able to fit in there, and if not, definitely just throw it on the cup holder. This is a Lezyne. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Lezyne. Okay. The Sport Drive HV is the air pump. Pretty cool. A little compact. What's this? This looks like it might have came off the jacket. Oh yeah. Oh, the zipper. Little piece just came off. I have to throw that on. There's a little pull tab. I think something. Those just kind of a little twist and lock. Okay, next. I did mention the brake pads. I recently just took the tires apart. I recently just took the tire off, took the brake pads out, cleaned it all up. I was looking to. These look pretty. These look pretty good. They're the Tektro brake pads. I just got one set because originally it was the rear brake pads. Sounded a little bit off, but I took them all apart, cleaned them up, so these might just be extra. Hopefully, I haven't rode the bike yet, but hopefully these will. Hopefully the ones that are on there will be good enough at the moment. And so far, the last piece I'm really excited for. Like I said, going night rides. And this is the same brand, the Lezyne. I'm not sure how you say that. Okay, but this is a rear tail light. Has a couple different. It has this AI type of setting on there where the light changes depending if the car is coming a little bit closer or not. I guess it senses it. So I'm looking forward to putting that on the bike. Apparently this has a couple different settings, and the holder is good for an arrow seat post, or I have a round seat post on mine that'll work. No charging wire, but I feel like, sometimes you have too many of the charging wires, so looks like this bottom piece comes on. Oh, I don't know. Maybe that's the power. Maybe that wasn't supposed to come off. The bottom piece. Just looking how it says USB. 3-hour USB charge. How do you charge it? I'm not too sure. Let's see if it has some juice in it already. Oh, whoa, that's very bright. It says it has 6 settings. If you could tell. Was that pulsing? Alright, let's see what else we got. Oh, bright flash. This is bright. It's bright in the room, and you could see this coming in hot. What's the next setting? A little faster. Ooh. And then faster but not as bright. And then solid. This solid one is pretty good. There's supposed to be a setting on here that tells you what other riders are coming. Oh, so when you get closer, maybe a car's coming up, getting closer to you. Something maybe? I don't know how big it's supposed to be, but what was that? It was flashing. I don't know if it gets closer. I don't know how that works, but it looked like so the sensor I think is down bottom. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can. There it goes. Oh, so if you start getting closer, it kind of alerts you. I like that. Bike riding through Los Angeles at night. I always try to be as bright as possible, and if this changes settings, I'm supposed to get close. I don't know. I know it's hard to demonstrate it with just a hand and a bike. Oh, that is very bright. I feel like if I could get this going, I'm sure once the car pulls up, it probably would definitely alert. It's really bright too. This is one of the things I was more excited for. There's a little. Oh, this one's for the arrow seat post. I guess you put that on the back. Give you a little. Is that what that's for? Maybe. Kind of seems like it. Then it has a holder. Kind of simple, but I like that. I want to figure out how that exactly works, because that's pretty smart. So I'm gonna charge it up, and then I'll have to before using. Oh no, I was supposed to fully charge before using it, but had to show you what it was looking like. Hopefully It's waterproof, USB, so it has an alert mode on there. Wide angle, very cool. So yeah, the jacket, the air pump, and the brakes, Tektro brakes, and the rare seat post light, which I'm really looking forward to. That was today's overhaul. I got a few more things coming in the mail. I'll have to do an unboxing of that here shortly. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any of these products. Let me know if you ever used something like this. I'd like to know a little bit more on this light. So you just take it off. I'm trying to figure out how to charge it because they say it's waterproof. So you just, I don't know where you plug it. Plug the charger in. It says down here. Oh well, I'll have to figure it out. Well, anyways, hope you enjoyed. Catch you on the next one.